Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Global Classroom. Dear students and viewers, in the earlier video I was discussed about logical and psychological approaches of curriculum organization. Today is the topic of discussion is topical, concentric and spiral approaches of curriculum organization. Dear students, topical approach of curriculum organization is the subject matter is arranged under topics. Each topic is then elaborated and presented. In this approach, instead the classifying of the subject matter such as biology, chemistry or physics, the topic under consideration will combine the three subjects and present the subject matter as a block or unit of concepts. Each concept will be interrelated and forms a topic. To illustrate under the topic such as osmosis, whether it is from botany, zoology, chemistry or physics, there can be only one discussion. Efforts are made to provide the concept of whole to students here. The procedure is that different elements of knowledge are integrated into one topic to develop a whole concept. Experiences and activities of students are emphasized here. Through these experiences and activities, they come to know about a single topic. The course of study is also related to real life situations, individual needs and interests of students are taken into consideration here. Dear students, another organizational approach of curriculum is concentric approach. What is concentric approach? In the concentric approach of curriculum organization, curriculum is developed from easy to difficult, from primary to higher level in a hierarchy, keeping in view the abilities and age of the students or childs. Concrete knowledge is given first and then knowledge of abstract concept is given to students step by step. Learner gets deep knowledge by step at various grades. For example, students get elementary knowledge of general science at class 6th or 7th level, but this knowledge is broadened and deepened at higher levels of study in the form of science divided into biology, botany, zoology, chemistry or physics and many more. In this approach, that is concentric approach, the contents are arranged based on the child's developmental stages. The interests change by age, so also the activities may be changed. Therefore, the contents must be based on these principles. The whole syllabus is arranged in concentric manner. The topics are introduced gradually. The complexity of the concept and the quantity increases by age. You can say in other words, students learn all topics in all classes, but the depth of the topics and concepts increases only in higher classes in accordance with the cognitive development of the students as per their age. As the learners go to the higher classes, the subject grows and the radius of the circle increases and the concentric circles widen. The complex content areas are divided into many simple portions. They are presented in a stage in different order of difficulty. They are presented in stages. The concepts are widened under the same topic but in higher classes gradually. For example, in biological science, students first learn the concepts of cell, the plant cell and animal cell, unicellular and multicellular organisms, eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell, etc. Dear students and viewers, the third approach of today's discussion is a spiral approach of curriculum organization. A spiral approach of curriculum organization is almost similar to the concentric approach. But here connected facts are grouped around one central theme. This approach, the topics such as cell, cell organelles, cell structure, unicellular and multicellular organisms, prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, continuously taken till 12th classes. Unlike concentric approach, there is continuity from class to class, topic to topic. The psychological principles of verbal changing in learning is used here. In this case, care is taken to increase the depth of content according to the stages of development of students. Since there are more similarities between concentric and spiral approaches in many cases if they are considered the same. Dear students and viewers, thank you so much for watching my YouTube videos, continuously supporting my channel. I requesting you to please subscribe my channel and share in your groups, many more groups, so learning takes place. You all know this channel objective is only one: education, awareness and teaching learning. That's it. Thank you so much for continuous support.